Well, today you guys get another weekly report, a little update on all the projects. So we are currently into some big block swaps already, which you guys will see a majority of it over on Big Block Nation, because I'm trying to get some videos over on that channel right now. We're currently doing a bunch of filming for the other channel, ATP Cycle and Rec Reviews. So what's going on? Well, motor time, big blocks everywhere. We have a 98 dually we're doing a big block swap on, and the Jimmy. Yep. Getting torn down right now so I can get the heads delivered by the morning and hopefully have them back for the weekend. It looks so empty in there. So we have to get this dually out of the way as quick as possible. It's go time. We have other projects that need to get in here, but check that front end out. Mr. White handmade that whole front piece. That was a lot of work. It's looking really good. The customer did not want a front bumper on his car anymore. All right, and yeah, it's primed, it's slick sanded, it's block sanded, and ready for the next. We're going to do one more slick sand coat and then one more prime. So two more times we got to block sand this car, and it's time for paint. And then this one's on deck. We're amping up to do a whole pile of Mustangs. Yeah, there's more Mustangs coming in, you guys. So that is what we are currently up to. And our parts for the, I'm calling it the 70 because I still never got around to looking at the numbers. But the 70 Chevy outside. All of the, ooh, it's windy. All of the grill assembly and everything is blasted already. So we can now continue with that. We can prep the grill and bumpers and get them painted, and then we are on to body and paint, and I'm still messing around with servicing that thing. Oh, and I'll pop a picture up right now. That is the frame for the 93 F-150 twin turbo build for the guys over at Total Hardcore Canadian Customs. They now have a little more room over at their place, so they are deep into the fabricating all the dash and everything and shifters and all that kind of stuff for the cab. So thankfully they're taking a lot of that work off of our hands now that they can continue in their shop. It's going to help a lot, but we will be getting the chassis in from that thing for assembly pretty quick. We're still waiting. We're 6 months into waiting for energy suspension bushings for the suspension on a 93 F-150. 6 months. Oh boy, it's getting painful. So that's your current schedule of projects going on, and we're trying to get as much filming done as possible right now, because things are about to get crazy around here. So we are hustling, trying to get rid of everything before more vehicles show up. We got a couple of great big boats coming in. They're going to take up a lot of room in the shop.